how can PPC be used to support my A/B testings for my listings? So the way how we are going to use PPC is simply by making sure that we're not going to touch too much when it comes down to optimizing, over-optimizing, creating more ads, like doing too many things at once. Because if we're going to do that, it's going to be very hard for us to realize what actually moved the needle. So the way how, when we are testing, A/B testing, especially listings, we are not going to create additional campaigns. We're not going to add additional budget. We're not going to do this drastic optimization. Either optimize in a sense of allocating more budget to the things that work, either optimize on cutting down on the things that do not work, right? Because we're going to do that and then we're going to get false positives. So whenever we're testing something, we would just maintain the same performance for the ads. So it's going to be easier for us to track. All right, so we spent $5,000, we made $10,000. All right, great. Now, once that we run both tests and it was the same spend and it was same amount of revenue, then we know, okay, so the ads were not the factor that generated this. And why am I saying this is because, most of the time what is happening with us is like we are so eager to try out new things, and then we're trying out new things, and then we're making so many changes, and then all the changes that we made are not going to help us get the actual result that we wanted. So in this case, especially when it comes down to supporting A/B testing efforts for your listings, make sure that on the ad side, we did not create too much of a discrepancy between the first state and the second state whenever we tested two different things.